I'm immigrant too. I don't get the papers.
We need an interview with
Adam.
like individual interview. Like I don't like it here.
What do you need that?
All right, I'll go get
Axel,
you
what are we doing?
construction.
We're doing construction?
Construction.
Okay.
I mean,
Got the whole crew.
Once we get the beam in,
Yeah.
the room's open. We're gonna take out this wall right here, and then we're gonna run all the plumbing. This is actually dirt. We have to jackhammer out the concrete,
Oh.
and then we're gonna dig trenches and run the plumbing really neat under the what's gonna be a layer of process, and then more concrete. So
Whoa.
when this is finished, you're gonna
Yeah.
feel like you're in a huge bathroom. Unlike right now where it's just dirty and you have no idea where you are.
Yeah, yeah. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that.
Cool.
This is gonna be a big bathroom.
Yeah, it's ADA compliant.
Nice.
So they have to be able to come in a wheelchair and pivot and move.
Yep.
And with this out, you're gonna have no problem. I mean, even here, we might put in some built-in shelves.
Okay, okay.
And then you got your bathroom door here for the office space.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be like an office here too.
This is a bathroom for an office.
Bathroom for an office.
Over here, we can do whatever we want. I don't know
Okay,
if we'll
cool.
do anything, but.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Where's the music upstairs? Oh,
I don't know.
They're sick of us. So ideally, this whole thing's falling down. Ideally, we can eliminate it and label it as dead space. So one thing, if it's dead space, it's just going to be filled in. Instead of getting a dumpster, which would have cost about $1,000, city dumpsters are difficult, you fill the crawl space with the old roof. It's not really what you're supposed to do, but we saved like $1,000. You know, we can just keep it there until we get a dumpster here for another reason and then haul it out then. But it's definitely a cost efficiency for what we're trying to accomplish this weekend, which is in and out with a ton of work done. So, yeah, I think that's pretty cool.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, you just gotta find ways to save money.
Yeah.
Even if it's like a empty closet that's no longer being used.
So how long does it take to do something like this?
So this job took us 2 days. It had two
Okay.
layers of roofing on it. We stripped both layers off. We had a lot of plywood that was pretty bad. A lot of patchwork with the plywood. We back nailed everything before we put the insulation board on.
Okay.
Insulation got mechanically fastened with screws and larger washers. And then the membrane got glued to it, and all of the seams are heat welded.
Right. These seams, they came down here with a torch and they actually
Heat
heated
up
up
both sides.
the membrane to the glue, bonding it very tightly, so the water will just roll right off of this membrane.
Okay. It won't get stuck there.
No, and and it won't puddle either.
Nice, nice.
No, not really, man.
No? What was the hardest part about this job?
The hardest part about this job was definitely the location. It was tough getting the material up here.
Running two jobs at one time. He's got a whole other crew in the basement right now.
Oh yeah,
Working
yeah.
on some structural issues.
Yeah.
While he had a crew up here doing the roof, that was pretty impressive. We've done this before.
Many times.
Probably do it again. You know, get the hard stuff out of the way, and then
Yeah.
the easy stuff seems like
Yep. This.
We got an 8-foot concrete wall coming on out. That was about 12 inches thick, as you can see, the remnants of it.
to right here.
It's about 8 foot. So we removed that. We built 2 temporary walls here to support the joist in the meantime. When we removed that wall, we cut in a load-bearing LVL joist, hangered all of the joists off of it. So now that this is supporting, we can have a wide open floor plan in here, and we can do what we want.
This space was underutilized. It was just like there was a hole, and then this was elevated floor with the ceiling too low for ADA bathroom standards. Also, you couldn't pivot a wheelchair in here. So what we had to do was we had to take out the concrete foundation wall right here. That took a long time. And we had to move the weight that was being held on this wall into this beam.
Mm-hmm.
So as they jackhammered it out, they propped up the floor above with a false wall,
Temporary wall.
temp walls, took this out, installed this, and then we took down the temps. And now we have this open space. The floor's still elevated. We're going to take that down, and we're going to run all this plumbing neatly in the floor to the bathroom, which is going to be in there.
Nice.
But we turned dead space into value with commercial real estate. It's done by the square foot, so the larger the area that you have to rent, the more valuable it is. Back here we probably added, I don't know, Jordan, how many square feet?
Usable? We probably added, what, 100 square feet?
That as well.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
as well, this little room.
So,
Much better. Came out nice. Nice job.
yeah, good work, bro. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyways, JAT Builders.